guys, and welcome to another video. It's your boy Nelson, and so what's going on today? Today I'm gonna actually take you guys on a point of view drive because I did install a new steering wheel yesterday. Well, not yesterday, in the last video, which means like last week. Now there is a catch with the steering wheel. I'll show you. Since we're talking about steering wheels anyways, right? I am selling this Alcantara steering wheel located at the top left corner, I think, right, for Lexus RC models and also 2017 Lexus IS models and up. It's a full Alcantara carbon fiber steering wheel. Comes with the airbag and the trims, everything. Yep, so hit me up on IG if you guys are interested. And also, if you are interested in a wheel like this for yourself, also hit me up on IG and I can hook you up. Right, so this is the steering wheel. In the last video, I did not have these paddle shifters because of some technical issues. Now, as you guys can see, I kind of fixed it, right? But we still have an issue. Before anything, we was about to do gas, but this gas station only has 87. Oh, brother, what's that, brother? Oh. But anyways, guys, right, before we actually head over to the next gas station, I'm gonna just explain what's happening, okay? So this is the steering wheel. And if you're wondering why I don't have a top half, is because I couldn't afford the top half and also weight reduction. You feel me? This car's already pretty heavy as it is. But anyways, guys, so I was having some trouble with the paddle shifters, right? The left paddle works, but the right one does not work, right? Now, I did order the correct part for it, which is right here, but there's a problem, right? Knowing my luck, if you guys have been with me since like a good 2 years or a year ago, right? You know that I kind of have bad luck when it comes to car parts. So I ordered this paddle piece from Lexus. So in here is an OEM Lexus paddle piece, right? And I ordered the right side because this side works, but for some reason the right side does not work. And I have an idea why. It's my fault, but this is a piece, right? And obviously this is a wrong side. Well, it's not obvious, but they sent me the wrong side. My luck. So now I'm actually heading over to UPS because I don't want it. When I upshift, I will be shifting with the like that, you know, and when I downshift, I'll be shifting like that. So it's going to be interesting. So it's pretty cool because a lot of people question, how do I drive with this wheel? Well, today you guys are going to see how on earth I drive with this wheel, and I'll be driving with one hand also. So yeah, fun times. Let's go. I know the steering wheel might be weird for some of you guys, but for me, I personally, I'm gonna be honest, yo, I'm in love with this. I know it's a bit of abstract, it might be taboo for some people, but like I feel like you don't see this in cars a lot. Some cars you do, but like in like, you know, modified cars, you don't really see this. But also, I just feel like it just flows so well with the gauge. Like, oh my gosh, like I really do have to find a gas station though, or else I will be stranded. So we are heading over to the UPS store, but we will stop at a gas station on the way though. So hopefully we find one. Oh boy, the light just came on. I think we're in trouble here. Oh no. All right guys, if you guys are seeing this, that means I did not break down on the highway. So I'm gonna just fill this up. I might fill it up all the way, might not. I'm trying to think about if I want to put E85 in the car later on. So, and I might. So we are pumping some 93. I'm at a speedway right now, as you guys can see, and I'm pumping some 93. Probably might do like 75% of the tank, maybe 80%, then the rest E85. Just did gas. Now it's your turn. It's time to grab you, and where's the shipping paper? There we go. Grab you, and it's time to go in. There you go. There you go, in there. All right, Kat, this is your favorite part. Oh yeah, guys, I have Kat now. This is Kat's favorite part.
My scary part.
It's only scary if you think about it. Nope. Oh.
So you turning around?
Yeah, cause I'm so low I rub. But anyways, guys, this is how I drive with this steering wheel. Of course, guys, you know, it's just my luck. I start driving, it starts to rain, sorta. All jokes aside, is this car faster?
God, it's louder for sure.
And this car got louder. Yo, what the fuck? This car is kind of faster and louder, I feel. I don't know. This is for those of you that wonder, how do I park? This is exactly how I park. Is that? You guys see, it's not that hard. You just turn the wheel and voila. That's it. That's it. Nice and steady. And yeah, guys. But anyways, guys, our fat asses are just getting some crumble cookies. You guys see that, right? Crumble. All right, guys, we got crumble with the RCF. So it's kind of hard to show you guys, but hopefully it doesn't fall. You guys can see it somewhat. Yeah, so we got 4. We got like a chocolate, I don't know any of these flavors, to be honest.
All right, so this is chocolate milkshake. That's coconut cream pie. That one's cinnamon roll, and that one's brookie.
I don't have a sweet tooth, so this might taste like ass to me.
And it won't to me.
But to her, it might taste like everything. So
I think you're gonna like the coconut one.
I don't even think I'm gonna like the
Really?
coconut. I'm gonna be honest.
Let's try it first.
I think I'm good on that.
What?
I'm gonna be honest.
Wait, that didn't taste good to you?
No, it's not that it's nasty, but like just so much sugar.
I don't even taste. I just taste the flavors.
Nah, I'm done with that. I mean everything.
Wait, really?
I give these things like a 4.
How do they taste bad to you?
No,
They
it's not
taste so
bad.
good.
The taste, probably a 7. But the overall experience, a 4.
Okay, so next is gonna be this one.
It's not bad.